What role does sleep play in performance? Most adults in the US should get 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night. If you're an adolescent or kid, they often need more than that. So we want to make sure, number one, is that we're spending that amount of time in bed to be able to meet the amount of sleep we need to adequately recover. When we're sleeping, our body repairs, rejuvenates, and helps you take advantage of the workouts that you've done throughout the day. In order to optimize our sleep, we think about something called sleep hygiene. So sleep hygiene is anything that's going to help us get a good night's sleep and make the most of our time that we spend in bed. So some of the things that we think about with sleep hygiene are making sure that we're sleeping in a cold, dark room. We want to avoid screen time for at least 30 minutes prior to going to sleep. We want to make sure we go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, and that's something that can be pretty tough because especially on the weekends, we like to stay up a little bit later and then sleep in a little bit more. And then you want to develop a bedtime routine. So have your routine of what you do before you go to bed. Then if you're in bed for a while and you're not able to sleep, you can just get back up and perform the same routine over again. Another common question that I get about sleep is related to supplements and what should we take to help us go to sleep at night. Typically, I recommend that we try to be able to sleep regularly on our own without the addition of supplements. But the supplement that's probably the most natural is something called melatonin. And melatonin you can buy over the counter. It comes in varying different doses. The more that we learn about melatonin, actually smaller doses are better. So you could try to take melatonin at night if you're having a hard time falling asleep. But be aware it could make you groggy in the morning. If you are going to take melatonin, you want to try to take it 30 minutes to an hour before you go to bed so that it has time to start working. That really just triggers the sleep cycle. It doesn't actually keep you asleep, but it's part of a natural hormone that your body makes and can help you sleep a little bit better.